Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the part 2 from the transposing tunes. So let's start. So in the earlier video, if you have not seen, we have worked on the transposing in minor second and major second. Today we are going to do in minor third and the major third intervals. So let's do with the first one. The first one says transpose the following melody down a minor third. So before we start anything, let's find out what is the distance or the interval distance between the minor and major third. So let's start. Let's write down. Okay, so let me just change the pen color. Okay, so if we need the major, that means we need from C. This is first interval, second, third, fourth. That means four semitones. Four semitone for a major third. And if we reduce one semitone, it will become three semitone for your minor third interval. So just remember that one. Okay. So let's straight away start the question. The first one is, let's check the key signature. So this is treble clef. There is no key signature. That means this one is either C major. Okay, either it's C major or A minor. Now to confirm it is a minor scale or not, we will check if there is any accidentals given. So we see there are no accidentals given here. Simple. That means this is not our minor scale. Now if this is a C major scale, if we transpose it down a minor third, that means we need to go three semitones down. So if we are at C here, so then we have B and then we have A. So that means if we take three steps down, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. We will reach to A. Now for the A major scale, the key signature is 3 sharps. So let's write it down. First we'll make our treble clef. Then 3 sharps, that will be F, C and G. Then that will be 3/8. Okay. Now let's transpose it down. So if this is the first note is our G note, so G would transfer down to. So if we are here at G, so if I'll make another one from here, another keyboard from here. So if you let's make very small C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. So from G, we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. So we'll go to E. We'll reach to E note. So we'll transpose it to E down here. Let's make another one. So from C to A, from D to B, E to C, close. Then we go to B, go to A, we go G, close, go to A, rest, close, we go to B, rest, close. We move again to the next one. Go to C, to B, to C, go down, close, and we finish here. Now let's make the stem. This one is up. This one can go down. Okay. So here we finish this question. So I hope you understood that we have shifted transposed minor third. That means 3 semitone distance. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So next one we have transpose the following melody up a minor third. So minor third but upwards this time. So that means we have to go 3 semitones up. So let's find this is bass clef and there are 2 flats given here. That means either this is B flat major, okay, or this is G minor, right? Now let's check if there is any accidentals here. There are no accidentals given and the melody is starting and finishing on B. So that means this is B flat major only. So let's find out. So if we are at B, we have to go minor third transpose upward. So let's start from B, C and D. So that means, okay, we forgot here because this is starting on B flat. So this is the B flat. We start from here. This is 1, this is second semitone, this is third semitone, and this is D flat major. So, and in D flat major we know we have 5 flat as a key signature. So let's start from here. We make the bass clef. We write the key signature. We start from B, E, A, D, G. Okay, let's start the tune. So we go shift major. So we'll take 2 steps up here, then up, then this one would be here, one line, stop, this one again, and this one is here. Sorry if I make sometimes the ledger lines wrong. So the main thing is that you understand what we have to do. Okay, go down. Okay, and that is how we finished our transposition. We have shifted transpose minor third. That means 3 semitones higher. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one you see is called transpose the following melody down a major third. So major third, we know this is 4 semitone distance. Okay, and if we see this is tenor clef. In this one there's a 1 flat. So 1 flat we know either it is F major or it is a D minor. D minor. Now if it is a D minor, let's check the accidentals. So we see there are 2 accidentals. One is the flat, one is the natural. So the flat one is on our E note. Okay, and E note is not the 6th or 7th degree of your D minor scale. So that means this is something else. These are just accidentals not related to the minor scale. So that means this is our F major scale. Okay, and now if we transpose it to the major third, so let's find. So if we are at F, G, okay, so we are here. So we are at F. So if we go back first step, first semitone is E this, then E flat, then D and D flat. So there we reached, if we go down a major third, we will reach to finish at D flat. So D flat major, we know we have 5 flat signs. Okay, let's make the melody now. Let's transpose it down. So we know this first note over here is given our C note. So C note will go back down to B. So let's put the key signature first. So this is here B, E, A, D and G. Okay, common time signature. Let's start from the first note. We are down, so we'll shift down here. Let's close it. So we have B, E, A, D, G. Okay, let's write down the notes. Shift down. G is the accidental. B flat. Again, the accidental is there. Natural. Here we finish it. We'll make it up. This was here. Yeah. See right now, see if my arcs and all those are not correctly mentioned. It's just that my basic concept is that you should understand how to transpose. All these things when you give an exam, you know that we need to keep them clean and clear, okay, and straight lines. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, next one we have to do transpose up a major third. Okay, now let's check what is there. 2 flats are there. That means either this is B flat major, okay, or this is G minor. So let's find out if there are any accidentals. We'll check the accidentals. So there are no accidentals. That means this is our B flat major. Okay, so we got B flat major. So let's find out if we transpose it up a major third. So we'll start from B flat, C. Okay, so now if we see B, from B flat we start 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll finish on D major. So D major we have to finish, and D major key signature is there are 2 sharps. Okay, that is F sharp and G sharp, C sharp, sorry, F sharp and C sharp. And let's transpose them up. So this is 3, 4 common time signature. Let's start from here, go from here to T. Close it here. Let's put the stem on them first. Let's do this. So next is this 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second line. We'll start from up here. Okay, finish here. Okay, so here we finished our this topic as well. So if you have any question related to this, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.